I finally saved enough money for Grandma's gift.
You worked very hard for it, and I am proud.
I want to buy a very special gift for Grandma.
That is a lovely idea, Ava. She will be so happy.
I will keep it safe in my bag all day.
Please do not lose it at school today, sweetheart.
I will be very careful, Mom. I promise you.
Hi, Ava. You look very happy this morning.
And hi, Mia. Yes, I am really happy today.
Me? You look surprised, please. No.
Why do you look so excited this morning? I saved money to buy a gift for Grandma.
That is so kind and thoughtful of you, Ava.
I will keep it right here under my desk. You are guarding that bag like real treasure. I think it's in the note. Because to me, it really is treasure.
Good morning, class. Please get ready for lesson time.
Good morning, teacher. We are ready now.
Take out your notebooks and begin quietly, everyone.
Okay, teacher. I am opening my bag now. Wait. Something is not right in here.
What is wrong, Ava? Did something happen? Nothing happen?
My pouch is not here. I cannot find it.
Why? Maybe it fell down near your desk somewhere. No, it is gone. I know it is gone. What are you two looking for under there?
My money is missing from my school bag.
Missing money? That sounds very serious to me. We are still checking, so please stay calm first. Then who to Ben?
Vinka?
Then who touched your bag before class started? I do not know. I am trying to remember. Did anyone sit or stand near your desk today?
Yeah.
Mia was here, but I am not sure. Ava, why would you say that about me? Technically, I am just trying to think about everything carefully. That sounds very strange to me, honestly.
It is a better. No.
I did not take anything from your bag, Ava.
Then where is it?
I do not understand. Maybe it is somewhere else. You should search more.
Dad says a thing.
Or maybe someone really did take it away.
Huh? No. No. Where?
Do you really think I stole from you?
They tend to feel it.
I do not know what to think right reorganization.
What is happening here? Why is everyone upset?
My money is missing, and I cannot find it.
Bonnet.
Everyone calm down first and speak one at a time.
I did not take it, teacher. I promise that.
Hey, come up here.
Ava thinks it was Mia who took the money. I did not say that clearly. I was confused.
No one will accuse anyone without real proof.
We should search carefully first before saying anything.
That is right, Noah. That is the fair thing.
It is really gone. I cannot find it anywhere. You really do not trust me after all this. I was scared, and I did not think clearly. Being scared does not mean you blame your friend. Mia, wait. Please listen to me for a moment. I do not want to talk to you right now. Mia, please do not walk away from me. You should not decide too fast when you are afraid. But the money is gone, and I felt desperate. That still does not mean Mia took it from you. I hurt her, and I know that now. Yes, you did. You should face that truth.
What happened today, Ava? You look very unhappy.
My money disappeared from my bag at school today.
Oh dear. Tell me what happened.
And I think I blamed my best friend for it.
Did you actually see her take the money herself?
No, I did not see anything with my eyes.
Then you do not know the truth at all.
I was so angry and scared in that moment.
Fear can make good people act in unfair ways.
What if I was wrong about Mia all along? She looked so hurt when I said those words. Dear, Mia, can we please talk for a minute? What do you want to say to me now? Now. Can we talk somewhere quietly, please? Do you trust me now? or not at all?
And now's word to Dad Jennifer.
I do not know, and that makes me ashamed.
Ava, Mr. Ben told me about the missing money.
Yes, Principal Emma. I am very sorry about it.
Let do it.
Is this small pouch yours, Ava? Please look closely.
Yes, that is mine. That is really my pouch.
It was under the classroom shelf near your desk.
So, no one stole it. I was completely wrong.
It fell from your bag, and no one touched it.
Okay.
I told you to search first before blaming anyone. Mia, I am so sorry for what I did.
You really hurt me, Ava.
It felt terrible.
I know, and I was unfair to you.
I was scared, angry, and I blamed the wrong person. You are my best friend, and I forgot to trust you.
Best friends should trust each other before anything else. Now tell the truth with your whole heart, Ava. I am truly sorry for blaming you, Mia. Mia, you did nothing wrong, and I know that now.
I need a little time because I still feel hurt.
Okay, I understand, and I will wait. I believe you are sorry, and I can see that. Can we still be friends after everything I did? Yes.
But next time, trust me first, Ava.